right, here is the second leg of our ventilation survey of the LME first floor hallway. Again, our upstream pitot tube. So this was formerly the downstream pitot tube, and we just leapfrogged it past the other one, which is outside of LME 110. This is outside the vent lab, LME 110. And this is a little tube. I want to be sure that we don't have any velocity impact in our static pressure tap, since we are only looking at delta total pressure. So I have a little tube pointing down in the vertical direction so that we don't get any velocity impact there. And as we go around the corner, you might remember this from when we did the anemometer traverse lab, but this sign here is a good indication of bulk airflow. So you can hopefully see in the video how it's deflecting at an angle, but it's not wobbling all that much. So that indicates that we have pretty uniform airflow coming down here. The sign at the end there, if you can see that, probably just barely, but this one you definitely can. So both of these signs are just downstream from corners. So the air is traveling faster at the outer edge of the corner than at the inner, and that causes rotation of the sign, and then it gets out of the airflow and rotates back due to the gravity. So pretty interesting. Okay, so continuing back down to our downstream pitot tube, and I've already pushed the average button on the manometer. So this leg is 3.6 pascals. And obviously our lengths are different, and there are different things going on in the airway, so we're not going to expect any kind of uniform numbers there. Okay, so now we'll move on to the third leg.